Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to change the tone of your reminder. Follow these steps. You keep your reminder on Google Assistant or anywhere, but you can't hear the tone as the default tone is uh, very low. So here's how to change the tone. First, you need to go to Google Calendar. Then click on the top left option button, go to settings. On setting you need to go to general and go to have to disable this use standard tone. You need to disable this one, and then you'll get the option to keep any ringtone. The default one will be like this sound, and it's not audible, so I would rather keep this one. And then click on vibrate for even more attentiveness. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe.